So, once again welcome back to 8th standard English class. A very good morning to one and all. So, do you remember what we discussed in the last class? Yes, we were discussing about Ajit Bajaj and Diya Bajaj and how they were able to reach the top of Mount Everest. And it was not actually a very simple, it was not actually that much simple. In a way, it was very difficult. They had to face so many difficulties. So, in the last class, we had seen that while climbing the Mount Everest, they have to face gusty winds or something like that. At that time, they thought that this would be going to be very difficult for them, or they would not be able to complete this task or something like that. But still, in every difficulties, they learned something, and every difficulties actually made them very much courageous. So, that is why they would be able to start from their simple or minute mistakes, or that is what they would be able to restart again and again whenever there is a difficulty. We had also seen in the last class that while they were climbing, Ajit Ajit found that his oxygen mask was not functioning. See, in that way they have overcome every difficulties, and all those difficulties were not able to make them discouraged. So, instead they took courage from all those difficulties and they went on climbing Mount Everest. So, finally, as a result, they became very much determined. So, in that way, at the end, they were able to realize their dream. In that way, Ajit Bajaj and Diya Bajaj became the first father-daughter duo to successfully reach the mountain of Everest. Then, in the last class, we discussed that climbing up the mountain was somewhat very easy. But going down or coming down is very much difficult than climbing up. So, it made them very much confused, it made them very much disturbed. That is what in the last class we have seen, that it was very difficult for them to accept the truth that they have conquered the summit of Everest. And once they realized that they reached the summit of Mount Everest, they were very much happy, they were very much proud, but all those proudness, but all those happiness went when they came to realize that climbing down or going down is much more difficult than climbing up. So, in that way we were discussing all those things in the last class. Now, we can have a look at the rest of the portion. So, now please hold your textbook and listen to Homecoming. My wife, friends and a few others from our family came to the Delhi airport to receive us. When we reached our colony in Gurgaon in a coach they had hired, we were surprised to see banners all over. The residents welcomed us at the front gate. There were garlands, dolwalas and mithai. That is a great thing about our country. Everybody joins in, and it just made it so special. It was very touching, emotional. Ajit, my wife, friends and a few others from our family came to the Delhi airport to receive us. So, when Ajit and Diya came back, Ajit's wife and all the relatives, all the neighbors, everyone came at the airport to receive them, because they have made or they have achieved something great. So, in order to appreciate them, they want to, for appreciating them, everyone went to the airport in order to receive them. When we reached our colony in Gurgaon, in a coach they had hired, we were surprised to see banners all over. So, when they reached their region, there were so many banners appreciating or congratulating their victory. The residents welcomed us at the front gate. The residents were there at the front gate to welcome them. There were garlands, dolwalas and mithai. So they were garlands. Garlands, as you all know, is flowers. They were received with flowers. Dolwalas. Dolwalas means a folk dance. So they were received with folk dance. And mithai. Mithai is actually the mithai or sweet. Some sweet. So in that way, they were received with flowers, folk dance and sweets. That is a great thing about our country. Everybody joins in, and it just made it so special. It was very touching, emotional. And what is the great thing about their country? That is the great thing about our country. Everybody joins in. So if someone achieved something, they have an open mindedness to appreciate them or to congratulate them. So that is actually the great thing mentioned here. That is why everyone, all the residents were there to receive them, Diya and Ajit. It was very touching and emotional. So all in all, it was a very touching and emotional moment for them. What next? We are so exhausted. It will take time to adjust to this heat. We have been suddenly thrown from 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. It hits you so hard. But yes, there will be more adventures. We do have a bucket list, and it features a mix of climbing and adventure sports. We are so exhausted. So after the eventful journey, after the big climb, Ajit says that they are very much tired. It will take time to adjust to this heat. So now they came back to New Delhi, and till then they were at the mountain of Everest, and it was, as you all know, there was the Celsius degree is very low, around 35 or 40, 35 to 40 or 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. So it was very cold there, and when they suddenly switch on to another climate condition, it was very difficult for them to adjust. It hits you so hard. So that is why they became very much tired. But yes, there will be more adventures. We do have a bucket list, and it features a mix of climbing and adventure sports. And Ajit Bajaj says that we need to achieve something more, or we need to do something more in the coming days. We need to do a bucket list. A bucket list means what? Bucket list, the meaning is given there, a list of things that you want to do before you die. So Ajit says that they have many things to complete, or they have many things to do in the coming days. So after taking some rest, they will continue doing all those things. We do have a bucket list, and it features a mix of climbing and adventure sports. So Ajit says that they have to do many things in the coming days. They have to go for climbing, and they have to conduct some adventure sports, etc. So all those things will be done in the coming days after taking a possible rest. Girl child, Diya, I have been really lucky because my parents have supported me in all my adventures. In our country, where adventure sports are usually associated with boys, my father has taken me on all sorts of adventures across the world. Through this expedition, we wanted to send out the message that girls can do anything and reach any height if they have the support of their families. So this section is concluded with a note of advice to each and every parents, to each and every girl child. What is that? Yeah. Diya says that she is very lucky to have Ajit as her father. Diya says that her parents supported her in all her endeavors. It was the parents who motivated her. It was the parents who inspired her. It was actually the parents who supported her in all her endeavors. So she is really lucky to have them as their parents. In our country, where adventure sports are usually associated with boys, my father has taken me on all sorts of adventures across the world. Diya wanted to say one more thing, that they are living in a society where all these adventures are always associated with boys. So even though they are living in such a society, her father always supported her in all her endeavors. Even though they are living in such a society, it was actually her father who has taken her on all sorts of adventures across the world. Through this expedition, we wanted to send out the message that girls can do anything and reach any height if they have the support of their family. So, concludingly, Dia wanted to say one thing to the readers, that if a girl child is getting enough support from her family, she can do anything as she wishes. Okay, so this is a message this section conveys. Even though the chapter is all about climbing Mount Everest, it has something more to say, and that is conveyed in the last paragraph. So, the section ended with a very serious discussion. A very serious discussion on what? A very serious discussion on gender equality. And the section ends with a serious discussion on gender equality. And what do you mean by gender equality? There should be a equality with regard to the gender. Here, Dia says that in our society, all adventures are associated with, all kinds of adventures are associated with boys. The society is giving prominence to whom? Prominence to boys only. So, there is a segregation, there is a discrimination between boys and girls. So, the society says that boys are only suitable for some areas. So, Dia is of the opinion that this system has to be changed. Both boys and girls should be treated equally. There should not be any gender inequality. Both boys and girls should be treated equally. In order to substantiate her point of view, she says that it is only because of her father she will be able to achieve all these things, because she was living in a society where prominence is given to whom? Prominence is given to boys, or all sorts of adventures are associated with boys. So, even though they are living in such a society, it was actually her father who has taken her on all sorts of adventures across the world. So, Dia says that if a girl child has the proper support from her family, she can do everything. So, this is the chapter is all about. If we have given proper guidelines, we have given proper support, we have given proper motivation, we can do many things, we can achieve many things. So, that way the chapter ends here. So, when we closely analyze the content of the entire chapter, we can understand one thing. And what is that? Tell me, what is that? Yeah, yes. When the chapter started, it was only about Ajit Bajaj and Dia Bajaj, how they climbed the Mount Everest, what all things they have did in order to make them fit for climbing the Everest, and it was all about their eventful journey. When this chapter is going to be ended, it is going to discuss a very serious matter. And what is that serious matter? Yeah, it is the gender issues or gender equality. So, when the chapter ends, the chapter seriously poses a very relevant question in front of us, that is gender equality. In the last paragraph, it is clearly and it is evidently says that in our society, boys have given much priority than girls. So that is what it is said, that in our society boys are always associated with what? Boys are always associated with such adventure trips. So even though they are living in a society where boys are given priority or boys are given more importance than girls, Diya's parents, especially Diya's father, encouraged her to conduct such adventure trips which are always associated with men or which are always associated with boys. So actually Diya has taken the courage from her father. That is the point we have to learn. We have to learn from here. Boy and girl should be treated equally. We will not discriminate them at any cost. We will not discriminate them with regard to anything. So here Ajit considers Diya as equal to a boy, or he was of the opinion that Diya can do anything a boy child can do. So in that way he always inspired her. What Diya actually wanted from every parents is that if the parents are there to motivate their children, if the parents are there to encourage their children without any distinction, without any differentiation, even the girls can come out with their best. So the only demand is that there should be the support of parents. So if there should be the support of parents, girls can do the same thing as boys can do. So they actually wanted a society where there is no gender discrimination, where both boys and girls are treated equally. So in that way the chapter ends here. So now we can go through the main points which discussed throughout this chapter. All of you please listen. Ajit Bajaj and Diya Bajaj they have a dream. And what was their dream? The dream was to climb Mount Everest. So in order to realize that dream, what did they do? They were working hard. They were working hard in order to fulfill or in order to realize their dream. So we have seen that so many trial expeditions went on in order to make them better prepared to climb the Mount Everest. And more than that, they went to gym. They went to gymnasium for getting their physique in a better way, so as in a better way in order to make them helpful to climb the Mount Everest. And after that, when they started, was the journey very normal? No, the journey was eventful. So they have to face so many difficulties. So need to face so many difficulties. They have to face so many difficulties. And how much difficulties they had, that much it made them So, the message we have to learn from them is that how much difficulties are there in our life, we have to learn something from those difficulties, we have to take some encouragement from those difficulties. So, need to face so many difficulties, that means they have to be determined. They have to be determined. So, only because they are determined, finally they became able to realize their dream. So, finally able to realize their dream. So, this is a message we can learn from Ajit's and Diya's life. So, first of all, we need to have a dream, and after setting a particular dream in our life, we have to work hard for realizing that dream. When we have to work hard for that, there will automatically so many difficulties, and among all those difficulties we have to be determined, and if we are determined, then finally we will be able to realize our dream. Okay, that is a point we have to learn from this message. And more than that, there should be one thing you have to note, and what is that? There should be the role of a motivator. And we can see that here Ajit Bajaj was a motivator behind Diya Bajaj. So, Ajit was there every time as a motivator behind Diya Bajaj. So, that is why we have seen in the beginning time that it was actually Ajit Bajaj who introduced Diya Bajaj into outdoor activities. Okay. So, there is a role of motivator. And when the chapter ends, we have seen that they were living in a society where such adventure trips are always associated with whom? Always associated with boys. But at that time also, it was actually Ajit Bajaj who gave a positive reinforcement every time to Diya Bajaj. So, all these together made Diya Bajaj a successful. So, you have to, first of all, you have to set a dream, then you have to work for that, then you have to need to face all those difficulties, and finally you will be able to realize your dream. And more than that, you will have a motivator always in order to attain bigger goals in your life. So, this is all about this chapter. So, I hope that you have understood very well. So, once again you have to go through the chapter very well, and then you get inspired by the story of Ajit Bajaj and Diya Bajaj, and hope that you can do something great and something special in your future days. So, I hope all of you a very bright, a very special, a very extraordinary future. Okay, I think this is enough for today. Hope that you are doing well. So, I think we can wind up today's session. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay. So, I think this is enough for today. So, we are going to wind up this session. Anyway, I hope that you understood all those things we discussed today. Anyway, thank you and have a nice day.